As of 3 p.m. January 7th, all state highways in Union County, Oregon are closed, including Interstate 84, due to blizzard conditions creating zero visibility, snow drifts across the roadway, and slippery, unsafe conditions. Highway closures are likely to continue through the evening. Travelers are warned to find a safe place to wait out the storm, fill up gas tanks, and be prepared to stay put through the night. If you do head out on a highway in Union County area, it is likely you will be stranded without hope of rescue until the storm passes. Stay home, stay safe. Check TripCheck.com or call 511 or 800-977-6368 for update conditions. Outside of Oregon, call 503-588-2941.